grams boneless chicken, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder, 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 egg, 2 bread slices, chop well. Refrigerate for 1 hour. Grease the hand. Make small-sized, almost 3 inches. Four tablespoons cooking oil. Cook on low to medium flame. Change the side after 3 minutes. One large-size onion, finely chopped. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix well. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Two tablespoons fresh coriander leaves.